we are a specialized industry. We develop a lot of our own data collection tools, and I can tell you it
Sure.
really frees us up knowing that um, with the universe structure we have, we don't have to worry about designing the back end data presentation for the users. I know that all I got to do is get the data into a table, and then I can expose that table through a universe, no matter what the source of that data was, and SAP is going to handle it. It really frees us up. It allows us to develop the floor applications much more quickly, and it's really been a time saver, especially as you mentioned the economic times. Our company has gone through a tough year and a half.
Hmm.
Um, we've had some downsizing through attrition, and everybody's doing more. So being able to rely a little more heavily on SAP for the data presentation is has been critical to our operation. Our engineers use it to diagnose all myriad of issues, whether it be quality, productivity, you name it. Every department uses it. It's really been critical in keeping us competitive in the marketplace.